Distribution network. First press the setting button on the back of the gateway for 5 seconds. Open the Tuya or Smart Life app. The device pops up and can be added directly. If not, tap the plus at the top right. Add device. Infrared RF remote control. Then connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Wait for connection. Done. Radio frequency remote box. Add. Roller shutters. Rex. Next, connect the motor. Method 1. Press and hold the motor setting button for 3 seconds. Motor moves up and down once to enter pairing mode. Match right away. Motor moves up and down once. Responding, save the remote control. Roller shutters. Now you can control it by your phone. Method 2. Press P2 on the back of the remote control for 3 seconds. Motor moves up and down once. Match right away. Press P2 again. Motor moves up and down once. Responding, save the remote control. Roller shutters. Now you can control it by your phone.